Hello friends, today I will discuss the color sampler tool in Adobe Photoshop. Here is the color sampler tool. With this tool, we can sample various colors and can use the color details later in any project. By default, it's in point sample mode. Now we'll open a photo from which we will sample colors. Left click on a specific color. This will be pinned as 1. Now in the info tab, #1 will show the values of that specific color. By default, it will show the RGB value. Real-time values will be shown here. If we move the cursor to various colors, the real-time values will be changing. We can also move our sampler. Press the left mouse button, hold and move. See, the real-time values are changing. If you release the mouse button, the actual value will be changed. Now get back to the earlier point. Now we'll sample another color point and the info tab will show the color values as #2. Thus we can create a maximum of 10 samplers. If we try to sample more than 10 at a time, it will show this error message. Could not create a new sampler because the maximum number of samplers is 10. We can change the color values mode by clicking here. We can choose CMYK or any other mode. Now to remove any sampler, just press the Alter button and when it shows the scissor icon, simply press the left mouse button. To remove all samplers at a time, just click on Clear All. Now we'll zoom in. Click on a point. The info tab will show the values of that point only. If we change the sample size to 3x3 average, the sampler will be created for average values of 3x3 area. Thus, if we change the sample size to 5x5 average, a sampler will be created for average values of 5x5 area. Thanks for watching.